Every day, we deal with sound-related issues in buildings, whether in the workplace, during our travels, or even at home. SoundBreak XP Retrofit board reduces noise between rooms and can be attached to any existing interior gypsum board wall. Installing Retrofit on just one side of a shared interior wall may be all that's needed to achieve sound reduction benefits. In places where privacy is a major concern, such as medical or legal practices, condos or townhomes, corporate offices and meeting spaces, reduce noise between rooms by installing a layer of SoundBreak XP Retrofit. Installation begins with the removal of wall moldings, along with electrical outlet and switch faceplates from the walls you wish to acoustically improve. And for optimal performance, install acoustical putty pads on all electrical outlet and switch boxes. Next, locate the studs and mark their location temporarily on the ceiling and on the floor. Apply 3 half-inch beads of construction adhesive to the back of the SoundBreak XP Retrofit, as shown, parallel to the long edge. Use a 1/4 inch deep notch spreader to evenly distribute the construction adhesive. Press firmly into place vertically to the existing wall. Attach using a 1.5 inch drywall screw at each marked stud location, placing a row of screws at the top and at the bottom of each board and 1 row at mid-height. Ensure the gaps around the perimeter of the wall are sealed airtight with latex caulk or acoustical sealant. Finish the joints and all the fastener heads using ProForm brand joint tape and finishing compound to the desired level of finish. After reapplying the wall moldings, prime and paint the wall. Last, seal all openings, such as electrical outlets and switches, and then reapply faceplates. The addition of SoundBreak XP Retrofit board will help create a more peaceful indoor environment.